Hello everybody, today we got this cool Hot Wheels car. It's called Twinduction. Twinduction right there. So I have Twinduction, I have Bone Shake. I don't have that, I don't have that, I don't have that, I don't have that. Yeah. Well anyway, let's just get this thing opened if we can. Wow. Okay, wow. Okay. So we have bag nothing, and also bag nothing. Okay. Let's get building. So we completed this cool Lego. So first up we have the minifigure. So the minifigure is cool. It has a helmet, of course. It has a scale for its shirt. It's a cool clothes, some cool pants. It has nothing on the back at all. And the car also can open up like that. You can put them inside if you want. And I didn't really know you can make these things. I thought it was just a certain piece, but you can actually make those things, so it's pretty cool. The wheels can move, of course. It has these things. It has these exhaust pipes. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs down below in the comments. Bye.